the beach communities, we did have a nice little marine layer. It spilled into some areas of LA County this morning, but now we're starting to get to that sunshine. And you can see here from Long Beach, we have some sunny skies. Temperature pretty nice along the coast, though, close to about 70 degrees. A little further north, though, those clouds are sticking around closer to Ventura County, out toward Malibu. We're still seeing a bit of a marine layer there, but much of the cloud coverage is pretty much just over the coast, and it's much cooler there, too. 59 degrees up in Malibu. Now we're starting to see in the Inland Empire, the valleys, some 70s pop up. Now today's going to feel very similar to yesterday. Oxnard 59 degrees too, so it is much cooler there at those northern beaches. As we head into this afternoon, it's going to be pretty warm. It's going to be feeling a little hot in some spots, but as we head into the next few days, we're going to start to see some changes here just in time for Mother's Day weekend. So we'll let you know how much cooler it's going to get, and also if there are chances of rain in the forecast. I'll send it back to you guys for now.
Okay, Brianna, thank you.
We also have some more winds in the forecast, so there you go. I know it's really tough to hear that news, especially if you are an allergy sufferer, and we're going to see those winds pick up this afternoon again too. And one of those spots is going to be the Antelope Valley. So you're looking live here from Palmdale. Temperatures have warmed up very quickly. It's about 83 degrees, sunny skies, and then this afternoon we're going to see some breezy weather pick up. We may not see any wind advisories be issued. It's pretty much going to be localized spots there for the high desert, but you can see those temperatures warmed up very quickly. Lancaster and Palmdale already in the 80s, Santa Clarita 77, and of course a little cooler toward the beaches. We saw another marine layer this morning, and even some of the northern beach community spots like Malibu, Ventura, still cloudy and pretty cool. It's about 60 degrees in Malibu right now. As we head into this afternoon, though, it's still going to be pretty warm. It's going to be a nice day today, but if you're inland, might be a little too warm for you. It's not going to be too much different than yesterday, but will be about a degree or two cooler. And then as we head into the next few days over the weekend, we're going to be looking at some cooler temperatures. So we continue to see some rainfall in the Pacific Northwest. That's great. We're going to have another low pressure system that's going to continue to drop down as we head into the weekend. And what that's going to do is for us is pretty much cool us off and then bring a very tiny chance to see some rain next week. Here's what's going to happen this afternoon, though. Before then, we're going to have some winds on and off through the weekend. So late this afternoon, you can see it's breezy in the mountain communities, mostly for the high desert, the Antelope Valley, and then they'll die down a bit overnight, and then the same goes for tomorrow afternoon. But take a look at over waters. We're going to see some very strong winds over the waters over the weekend. So I know with Mother's Day coming up, a lot of people are going to be heading to the beaches, maybe want to be going on some boats, but we're going to be seeing some dangerous winds there off the water. So we will keep you updated on that as we head through the weekend, but some dangerous winds for the seas as we head into the next few days. And then we're going to have some breezy weather on and off here. And those winds will get even stronger as we head into next week. But until then, things are pretty calm. It's going to be a nice day today. Los Angeles and Orange County, upper 70s and then mid 70s. Get a couple degrees cooler tomorrow. It'll be a little more noticeable, especially as we head into your Mother's Day, with a high of about 72 degrees. And then by Monday, things start to get much cooler. Tuesday, a high of 63. So you can get those sweaters and jackets back out. I know it's hard to believe, especially with what we've been seeing here the past couple of days. Valleys and Inland Empire, another day today. We're going to get close to 90 degrees in some of the warmest spots. By tomorrow, a pretty nice drop, some low 80s through your Saturday. And then Sunday is going to be very mild, 76 degrees. Beautiful day if you're spending time outdoors. And then by Tuesday, we're back to some cool weather. Again, those showers, the chances are dropping off quite a bit. So we're keeping it at a 10% chance now for Tuesday and Wednesday. Beaches, 72 today. We're going to stay in those low 70s all the way through Saturday. A little cooler along the coast for moms, though. On Sunday, it's going to be about 65 degrees. And it's going to be very windy, too, over the waters. Don't forget that. Mountain communities, beautiful, mild over the next few days, low 70s, 60s Sunday, and then chances of some showers, 20% shot for some rain and even some snow. So a late season storm. Even if we don't get any here, it's nice to see some at least for Northern California. So that's good. High desert, mid 80s today, tomorrow, and then 60s by next week. So quite the turnaround, guys.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Brianna.
Wonderful to have them back here. All right. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday, almost to the end of the week. And a little bit of a hazy view here from the LAX camera. We still have a marine layer that's hanging around some of the coastal communities. Most of the cloud coverage is pretty much over the waters, and most of it's dissipated and mixed out. But we're still seeing a little bit of haze here out toward LAX. A little further inland, you can see downtown LA, where we're seeing a little bit more sunshine. Temperature at about 69 degrees. So here's a look at how much the temperature's affected a little further north, where we have those clouds hanging around some of the beaches. Oxnard right now, it is a cool 59 degrees, and then much warmer as we're heading inland in some of those spots. 80 degrees down into Hemet already, 77, Santa Clarita 75, out into Van Nuys, and 78 there for Woodland. Hills, and then those beach communities still in the 60s. So we have a ridge of high pressure that's going to continue to shift out and move to the east, and we have a continued rainfall for the Pacific Northwest. So that is great to see. Unfortunately, we're not getting any here in Southern California until next week, and the chances are dwindling down a little bit, unfortunately. So as we head into next Tuesday, Wednesday, it's kind of disappeared on the models right now. I would have showed it to you. So it's kind of been on and off. We will keep you updated as it gets a little closer. Right now, it looks like it's kind of stopping off in Central California, but I'll show you on the 7-day here. For today, it's going to be another very warm one, hitting 90 in some spots, but otherwise a lot of upper 80s, 88 in Ontario, 87 in Pasadena. It's another day for the flip-flops today, 75 in Inglewood, and 91 degrees in Northridge, 88 Fillmore, and 89 degrees up into Ojai. So for Los Angeles and Orange County, today is similar to yesterday, but as we head into the weekend, it's going to start to get a bit cooler each day. As we head into Mother's Day, it's going to be really nice at about 72, but next week, that's when we're going to see the bigger changes. It's going to at least be much cooler as we head into next Tuesday, Wednesday. Once that trough and that low swings through, our temperatures are going to cool off. We're going to have some winds pick up, and then also just a 10% shot to see some showers. Valleys and Inland Empire today, another hot and sunny one. And then we're going to have some winds, some of the inland spots, mostly just for the Antelope Valley pickup this afternoon. So it's going to be a little breezy for some areas. As we head into tomorrow, we are back down to some low 80s. Should be feeling a little more comfortable out there. And then Sunday on Mother's Day, it's going to be beautiful, 76 degrees, and then back to much cooler weather on Tuesday. You can get the jackets back out, and Wednesday we're back to highs in only the low 60s. So a big shift from today all the way to next week. Beaches, 72 today, low 70s the next few days. We're going to have some high winds over the waters too as we head into the weekend, so we will keep you updated on that as we head into Mother's Day. It's not only going to be cooler at the coastline, about 65 degrees, but we're going to have some pretty dangerous winds on the water, so being advised not to take boats out on Sunday, and also not to go swimming as well if you're near some of the beaches. Mountain communities, we're in the low 70s the next few days. Sunday, big drop, much bigger drop next Tuesday, Wednesday. We're going to keep an eye on this. We'll keep our fingers crossed for some showers, at least for the mountain communities. And then as we head out to the high desert, it's pretty dry here. Winds will be picking up this afternoon. Same goes for the next few days. Temperatures in the 80s, 70s Sunday, and 60s return the beginning of next week. Mother's Day looks to be shaping up to be a really beautiful one, though, guys.
Okay.
Nice.
Brianna, thank you.